Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'm going to show you how to mount correctly our Bridgehill car fire cabinet. We'll start by taking out the instructions, which also contains the labels. We will look at them later. And then I will take the knife and I will open it in the end. It's easier than to open it from other sides. Slowly slide it out, and you will see you have various parts. You have the bottom plate, we'll look at that later. Then you have the top plate. Then you have the front plate. Then you have side panels. The two side panels I put together here. The back panel. And then you have the stabilizer. Also, what you will find is the keys and the tools to keep the door locked. We will look at all these details when we mount this cabinet together. Also, you would also need a normal screwdriver and a wrench. And in this next step, I will show you how to mount the stickers on the cabinet, because you have to do it yourself, and it is also described in the instruction manual. And it is in that instruction manual you will have a sticker for car if it is a cabinet for cars, or if it is for forklifts, there's another stickers for that. I will show you where to put them. Also the logo for brake glass, and also a very important QR code showing how to deploy the blanket in case of an emergency, which really needs to be on the cabinet. I will start by mounting the first important sticker, which is in the middle. It is the sticker for the car fire blanket. I will open it from the top and try and centralize it from the keyhole. And when I have fixed it in the front, I will use a scrape to take out all the air pockets. And then gently pulling the sticker off and on to the cabinet door. There's no rush, and then it also becomes perfect. Then to be able to take out most of the air pockets. The next sticker I will start with is the logo on the front. Now all the stickers have been placed. I can then show you the final result. As you can see, the logo, what type of cabinet it is, brake glass information, and also the QR code for deploying of the blanket. The next step will be how to actually start mounting the cabinet. I have put the side panels together here, and you can see the front of the side panels where there are actually some holes. These will indicate the top of the cabinet, which we will look into later. Right now we will start by mounting it from the bottom with the important stabilizer. I will show you also which way it will be put into these side panels. So right now I will just lift them up like this, and you can also see the details where you have two square holes in the end of the side panels. The important thing is the hole on this stabilizer. They have to be pointing away from you, not towards you, when you put them into the side panels. And then you just put it straight hard down. Now it's starting to be more stabilized. Then we just turn the cabinet around. And what you can actually see now is there's a hole here at the end of on the side, which is really important for the door later when we are mounting the cabinet complete together. And then the next part, which is the back panel, you have a typical end and a top. The top should align with how it looks like here. So we will slide it all the way down. Like that. And then we will take the bottom plate. We will have to go a little bit with an angle all the way down, because it will help the stabilizer in the cabinet. And when we have it all the way down, we just give it a little punch, like that. It will just keep it more stable. Now the most important part is the top panel. You have an angle here, which follows all the way through on the front, which means that you have on the other side these lips that needs to be on each side of the metal so it can stick together. If you don't do this thoroughly, it will fall apart. But if you do it correctly, it will stay together. Okay. When I'm sure that I have the lips on the inside and the metal part on the outside, I will just give it a few more punches, like that, which makes it stick together. And then you can actually lift the cabinet, like that, and it will not fall apart. And the next step will now be to insert the spare key in the key box behind the brake glass. So we have to turn it around, of course. Now is the part for the screwdriver. We take out both sides. The next part will be to take out the box. Sometimes it's a little bit tight, but you can use a helpful tool. And as you can see, there's a mark in the middle of the plate. And you only need a screwdriver to give it a little push to get it out. Now you can see that it has already formed, which you can then push up so it can easily hold the key. And then we place the spare key in the key holder and we push it all the way in so we make sure that it sticks before we put it back together in the cabinet. And then easily we'll just make sure the key sticks. Take the screws and put it back together again. The next part will be to mount the door to the cabinet. And the next part is to make it fit in here and just lock it tightly, and then do the same operation on the top. We recommend to always mount the cabinet to a wall, because now the cabinet is ready to use. Inside we have put in a car fire blanket, but remember, all our cabinets fits all our fire blankets. Lock it with your master key. In case you have lost the master key, you can always break the glass and take out the spare key. This is Thomas from Bridgehill. Thank you for watching this video.